Welcome. Today we'll walk you through the process of setting up a VRBO account. To get started, simply visit vrbo.com. Once you're on the VRBO website, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Next, click on Sign In again to access the sign-in options. Here, you'll have multiple sign-in options available. You can choose to sign in with Google, Apple, Facebook, or by providing your email address. For this demonstration, we'll use the email option. Enter your email address and click Continue. After providing your email, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox for this code and copy it. Then, return to the VRBO page, paste the code, and click Continue. Now, you can click on Get Started to begin setting up your VRBO account. Start by providing your first name. It's important to use the name that matches the identification you use when traveling, such as your passport or driver's license. After entering your name, click Continue Next, create a password for your VRBO account, and click on Create a Password. Once your password is set, click on Let's Go. Congratulations! You've successfully created your VRBO account. You can now use the VRBO website or app to explore vacation rentals and plan your next getaway. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.